Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your daily dose of game-changing tech. Today, we're diving into a massive upgrade that's perfect for both hardcore gamers and creative professionals, the Corsair MP600 PRO LPX 8TB NVMe SSD, one of the largest and fastest Gen 4 drives on the market right now. Let's start with performance. This SSD delivers up to 7,000 MB per second sequential read and 6,100 MB per second write speeds, making it a Gen 4 beast built for lightning-fast data access, game loading, and file transfers. It's powered by a high-speed PCIe Gen 4 X4 interface, offering blistering performance for heavy-duty applications, from AAA gaming to 4K video editing. But here's where it really sets itself apart: 8 TB of storage. That's not a typo. You can store an entire gaming library, multiple creative projects, or years of 4K footage, all without ever worrying about running out of space. Whether you're a PlayStation 5 owner or a PC enthusiast, this is one of the few drives that truly delivers on both performance and capacity. Speaking of PS5, yes, it's fully optimized for Sony's next-gen console. With its low-profile heatsink, the MP600 PRO LPX slides right into the PS5's M.2 slot without any clearance issues, keeping temps low even under load. You get faster load times, smoother gameplay, and room for virtually every game in your collection. The compact M.2 2280 form factor ensures easy installation in most modern desktops, laptops, and of course, the PS5. And because it's engineered by Corsair, you know you're getting top-tier durability, efficiency, and thermal control. Whether you're upgrading your gaming setup, expanding your video production workflow, or future-proofing your console, the Corsair MP600 PRO LPX 8TB SSD is a premium solution that's ready to handle it all. Looking to upgrade to high-speed, high-capacity storage? Check the link below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more elite tech reviews. You're watching Gadgetverse, where power meets performance.